I'm feeling more close doing a Konkani languages one. So the script which I was bound to do maybe in Hindi or all, I started making them in Konkani. So today also hashtag move was initially written in Hindi and then I translated it again back. Then I took Mr. Tommasino Cardozo to write in the lyrics are written by Tommasino. Yeah. And he has even translated the languages, the dialogues which I have written in Konkani for the to maintain like the because there we all like I told you earlier, it comes with a Sashti Konkani or that other kinds of Konkani. But making a pan-India film again is a very different. So this time what I did was making hashtag move. I roped in a Tamil actor named Bharat Nivas and a Marathi actress from Mumbai that's called Nakshatra Medikar. So I tried to collaborate both of them in the lead pair, and rest other all are the strong pillars are my Goan actors like Manoj Joshi, Salil Naik, Prince Jacob, Libby Mendoza, John Aguiar, all this. And the singers are Sonia Shirsat, Lakshman Naik, Rajesh Madgavkar. So I prefer that you watch the film on 26th. So when you see the visuals, you will hear the songs, you will really appreciate okay, we have made at par. So when a commercially when this same film in other language when it will be it has been made in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, it automatically goes with the culture.